MR.COFFEE Iced Coffee Maker. The MR.COFFEE Iced Coffee Maker lets you enjoy delicious, refreshing iced coffee at home or on the go. The simple mirroring system makes it easy to brew the perfect ratio of hot concentrated coffee over a tumbler of ice. Just add water and coffee grounds to the machine. Fill the tumbler with ice, then press start. It's that simple. The drip stop function prevents mess on your counter. You'll always have the perfect iced coffee to help you conquer the day. Don't forget to subscribe.